What's up? It's Bob from Home Cook Basics. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. So today we're talking about how to cut chicken wings. So maybe you bought these and they came in a package and they got the end tip, the wing tip, and you gotta cook it for your wife, and she's like, she ain't gonna eat that, or you're gonna cook it for your husband and you don't want those on there. I'm gonna show you how to cut up a chicken wing. Really simple and really quick. So I just cut up a whole chicken, and that's why I only got 2 wings here. I don't have an actual package, which is cool. If you watch the end of the video, I'm gonna have other videos on how to debone chicken thighs and how to cut up a chicken breast. But, so here we go, right? So we got, let's do a little anatomy here, the chicken. So we got the drum, everybody knows the chicken drum, and then we got the wingette, they kind of call it. I cut this from the whole bird, so there's actually a little bit extra meat right here, and that's actually chicken breast. Nobody tells you that, but I like to cut a little bit extra so it makes the chicken wing a little bit bigger. But that's actually the breast of the chicken when you cut the whole chicken. But anyway, so those are the 2 pieces. So what we're gonna do is, you could either cut off the tip or the middle, but what I'm gonna do is, let's cut the tip off first. So if you kind of see in there, there's like a knuckle, okay? And then there's a separation of that 2 knuckles. And if you follow the skin down into that knuckle, that's where you're gonna cut. So you follow it down into where that knuckle is, and then, cut right through, okay? It's that simple. It shouldn't be hard to cut, but it shouldn't be super easy either. You're trying to get through the knuckle, and then there's the tip, right? You're all set. Now, when you're separating the drum from the wingette, or the other name that you're gonna let me know in the comments, I tend to just cut that skin down a little bit right there. So you're getting that, and then you can kind of feel in there, and there's those 2 knuckles again, okay? That's exactly where you want to put the knife. And there you go. That's simple. Wingette and drum. Now, super important, right, to have a sharp knife. You don't want to get in there and then slip off that knuckle and cut yourself. So have a really sharp knife. A big knife like this won't chip, so a chef knife works really well for this because it can't chip when you're cutting through. Let's do that again. So here we got the wing tip. And, you know, the bigger the wings are, sometimes the harder they are to cut. So we got little itty babies. And then I like to cut through the skin there. And then you can kind of see right where that knuckle is. And then you're just gonna go right through it. See? Simple, quick. That's how you cut up a chicken wing. Definitely check out one of my other videos, how to debone chicken thighs, how to cut chicken breast. I'm gonna show you a few different ways and the ways I like to cut a chicken breast. And thank you for visiting the channel. Please subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time on Home Cook Basics.